Hey everyone, welcome back. I got the new Ozark Trail access lock 7-inch pocket knife to go over. It has the plastic scales, 7-inch all together. Alright, so it says a 7-inch knife altogether, a 4-inch plastic handle, a shaft lock, and a pocket clip. It is stainless steel liners. It has a lanyard hole back here. Has a thumb stud right here. So these are at Walmart for less than $6. They're awesome. So let's get into it. Excuse the band-aid. You know when you're playing with knives, you always get cut, so. That's one-handed operation. These are plastic, like I said, but it is a real nice knife. Easy one-hand closure and opening. Less than $6 at Walmart. Can't go wrong. And I mean, even if you stick it in your toolbox, your fishing tackle box, your diaper bag, seriously, you might need a knife in the diaper bag. Ladies, you know, you stick it in your purse. I stick mine in my backpack. I don't carry a purse. So, there you go. Alright, y'all, have a good day and take care. And thanks for watching. Enjoy your week.